They be putting out XG tapes. XG likes to put out XG tapes. That's basically all I'm saying. And the first one that came out was Harvey, and Maya came out today, I think. This is a day ago. Maya just came out recently. So without further ado, let's see what Harvey's gonna be talking about. They got the all eyes on Harvey right now. Okay. Oh, she gonna spit?
Hello, motherfucker.
Damn, hold up. Why she a badass? She always been a badass. What she gonna say? With them in the looking like is that a snake leather trench coat? Neo kind of ish? Matrix?
Make a beat, man. Humbly I did that. I'm the last day when between big facts. While they stuck in the feeling just a mishap. Your big mouth can't hit it with no jibber jabs. Chatting non-stop, big double tantrum. One place to go ahead and hate anthem. They big man, yeah, go and get mad. I'ma let it slide.
Yeah, go ahead and get mad. I love Harvey. Let's go.
Harvey on the gram like Aubrey. Real views 0 to 100K Aubrey. No season for me and 6 boss queens. Hating needs a habit, don't pass it to your ass queens. I'll be on my own lane, swerving on them zigzags.
Hey.
Or maybe a dead fan.
Woo.
Half Asian, half Aussie, alien.
Talk your shit, Harvey. Talk your shit, Harvey. Go talk your shit, bro.
Invading stadiums, aiming on the best behavior. When staying haters ready to the toast, no pedicure on a saving. Like a bit man, humbly I did that. Woman between big facts.
Hey.
While they stuck in the feeling just a mishap.
Woo.
Big mouth can't hit it with no jibber jab.
Woo.
Chatting non-stop, big temple tap.
Hey.
They said go ahead and hate anthem. They big man, yeah, go and get mad. I'ma let it slide to the side, let him slip back.
She had some things to say. Girl. Basically, she said, get in line, get mad, get in line, get mad. Listen, they just angry fans. This is why I call my haters. You my fans. You just a little bit angry. You got a lot of anger in you for some reason. Whether, I talk too much, pause too much, or I just annoy you. Sorry, bro. Thanks for watching.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.